Alright guys, today I'm going to do something a little different than what I normally do on here. I'm going to change the burn pot and the igniter on this piece of crap grill. So, I got all the stuff taken out of it already, getting her cleaned up. Hold tight and I'll get you set up and we'll get this thing tore out of here. Alright guys, I got the grates and the crap tore out of here. Let me flip you around. I took the screws out already. They were rustier than crap. After I took them out, I'm like, we should make a video. So that's what we're doing. Anyways, you take them out. This will pull that way a little bit. And this comes up. Takes a little wiggling. Alright, hold tight. Something's stuck. I gotta figure it out before I break something. Alright, I figured it out. It must not have enough wire. It must be all zip tied up in here tight. So, on the bottom of the hopper here, it's the hopper for the pellets. There's 8 screws around here. We gotta take them off and get inside of here where all the wires and stuff are at so we can make some slack on the inside and pull some wires through. So hold tight, I'll bring you right back when we get this taken off. See what we got in here. All right, we got the cover off. You want to look for the, hold on, let me flip you around. When you get up in here, these 2 wires right here are going to the igniter. White and purple. We're gonna get this zip tie here cut. If I can find my cutters. And that should open up a lot of slack so that I can pull that pot out. All right, here. Get back up in there. Oh yeah, there we go. Now, the pot's wiggle out of there. Loosen this screw up. If I can find my screwdriver. Hang with me guys, I'm trying to do this while I'm holding my phone at the same, folding my phone at the same time. Loosen that up. That comes right out then. This is getting thrown away. I got a new one, so that'll get thrown down there. Now this, once you got them wires all loose, that should pull right out of there. There. It's the old igniter. And then you're just going to want to unplug this. If I can do it with one hand. Nope. Oh. Look out, Mason. We gotta figure out how this comes out. There's no clip. We're just gonna pull. Hold tight, let me get this unplugged. Alright, I got that unplugged. I got the other one fed back up through there. It's probably pretty hard to see. There's a hole in the side of here that goes through. And you just keep shoving it down in through there. Oh. Until it pops out in here. Stick it back in. I already put this together. I mean, it's not too hard to do. Let the igniter stick out about 1/2 inch. Tighten your set screw. This should just wiggle right back in there. Give her a little bit of a turn. Oop, too far. Line your holes back up where it was in before. They did send new screws with it, which is good because these other suckers are just shot, rusted to crap. But then you put those screws back in there and hold tight. I'll bring you back in a second when I get that part done. All right, we got the screws back in. Everything's nice and solid. It's what it should look like when you're done with it, just like it did when it come out. Like brand new. Oh, and then I got back under here. I got these plugged back in, the white and purple. I'm not going to re-zip tie it. I'm just going to tuck them wires up there out of the way so they don't get in the fan somehow. And then you, after you get all that done, plug back in. I'll put this bottom cover back on, of 8 screws, and then we'll fire her up and see if she's going to work. Hold tight, we'll bring you right back. All right, well, I decided before I put that bottom plate on, I'm going to turn it on and make sure it's going to start working. Just in case there was something else the problem. Enough. She seems to be feeding in and smoking. So that tells me that that was the problem. My igniter was shot. All right, I'm going to turn this off. I'm not cooking nothing right now. So that was the easy way. It's not that hard. Anybody can do it. I'm gonna zip tie that wire back up just so it's not hanging out of the way. So thanks for watching. If that helped you in any way, if you made it this far watching my dumb ass do that, hit that like button. Maybe subscribe. I'll start doing more of this DIY stuff throughout instead of all the other stuff I've been making videos about. But anyways, smash that like button, subscribe. We'll see you later.